Morning.
Morning. This is for Deborah Johnson, Department of Revenue, and Dan Williams, Sr. It's 2019 DR 9764, and it's on Mr. Williams' motion to vacate the magistrate. Is that correct?
Yes.
He actually filed two, Your Honor, 74 and 75. The first one he filed was a motion to vacate.
Well, he wants a motion to vacate, he wants a motion for a hearing robo, he wants multiple things, but isn't the first step to determine whether the magistrate was right or wrong?
I think so. The first one he filed was a motion to vacate pursuant to 12.490, which is not even the rule we wanted. We wanted 12.491, because he was sitting as a child support hearing officer.
Well, what is the rule regarding providing a record?
That applies to this case. If you look at the order that's document 272, he has to provide a record for you to do a review, a motion to vacate, because the hearing took place under 12.491. He filed saying he wanted to review under 12.490, but that's not a relief available to him. We're going to just on a 12.490 motion. It was a 12.491 motion. And the last page of the order has a standard language. If he wants to, yes.
Language that says provide a transcript within to the court and the other party.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Williams, did you provide a transcript? If you did, I didn't get it.
A transcript of what?
The hearing you're trying to vacate.
I did actually. I believe I did.
No, I'm looking at the docket. You haven't filed a transcript.
What is a what do you mean by transcript? Like,
I'm not here to give you legal advice, sir. I'm here to say
you
have a transcript, a record of the underlying proceeding that you filed in accordance with the rule. And looking at the docket, no, you did not.
I sent a bunch of exhibits in the
Exhibits are not a transcript. A transcript is the language, the words that were said back and forth throughout the proceeding. How am I supposed to review something that I wasn't there for if I don't have a record?
You mean the original order? The original order is.
I'm not talking about an order, sir. I'm talking about a record of the proceedings. If you don't know what that is,
a record of the proceedings that happened on April 15th is on it. Okay, so you're saying that because I didn't provide a copy of what the magistrate's findings were, I am wrong.
I'm saying because you didn't provide a transcript. I don't know how to define transcript other than the record.
Okay, so I need to I see where I messed up. See, this is just getting out of control because this is the Department of.
You don't need to be out of control.
The Department of Revenue is.
Before you can go forward on any of these motions, is the court needs a transcript. You had the time period with which to request it.
Yes.
You have not requested it. You have not filed.
I was given 10 days over the period of a holiday weekend. This is not due process.
No.
I even made a motion for a continuance because I knew that wasn't enough time. The court has not afforded me the time under due process to provide all of this documentation with the enough time before the case.
In all due respect, if you read his motion to continuance that you denied, there was nothing in there at all about providing a transcript. He spent multiple hours sending 2 inches of materials to your office and to my office. It had no bearing on anything we're doing today.
It has all the bearing.
Okay, duly noted. Anything else, Mr. Pickett?
No, Your Honor.
Mr. Williams, I don't have a transcript. So the motion's denied. Have a very nice afternoon.
You guys are violating my rights. Okay. You're violating my rights. It's okay.